my face. My face is giving everything that it's supposed to give and more, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time stopping by. Hi, I hope you stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy today because my face is like what? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look from start to finish. So if you're a beginner to makeup or you're just learning how to do your makeup, grab your makeup stuff, sit in front of your mirror, and let's get started. For my brows,
and the bridge of my nose. For my lips, I didn't do anything serious. I just lined it with some brown lipstick, put some pink lipstick in the middle, and added some gloss and called it a day. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you're able to follow through, and I hope you learned something new from this video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from my video, and I hope you were able to follow along as well. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And if you learned something, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Damn.